section, I analyze a couple quotes to make my point about how the two characters handle emotion differently. Notice that I sandwich all my quotes with an introduction and explanation. So this first quote I use to illustrate how Grace responds to difficulties. I introduce it and slide it right into my sentence. Then I say what it tells us about Grace. Pretty quick analysis here, because I am using it to set up my next quote. This next quote is, again, integrated into my sentence. This one, though, talks about how Roman and Grace respond differently to difficulties. I spend a lot more time analyzing this quote. Notice how I pulled out specific words from the quote, such as naked. Authors use specific words for a reason, so part of textual analysis of literary text is looking at the specific words. Here I can say this about Grace because of the first quote. See how they build on each other? At the end of the paragraph, I bring it all together by talking about the names of the characters and how that supports their differences that I just pointed out.
Hey y'all. Today I will be showing an example of my own use of textual analysis. In this paper, my thesis wanted to examine PTSD and the effects that it has on the human soul. In this particular use, I draw on a quotation from the author of my text. Before I introduce the quotation, I provide the author in brief information on his findings. I then provide my quotation to define soul loss, a key definition in the author's argument. Following the quotation, I provide analysis, furthering the author's definition of soul loss. In this area, I seek to provide the so what part of my evidence. In other words, I want to use this quotation to push my ideas. To do this, I describe how soul loss contributes to the degradation of the human experience. And that's textual analysis for you. Thank you guys for watching.